1, 2, 3, let's switch this up. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, hello, I'm Akriti, and if you're back, welcome back. Make sure you hit on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon so that you're notified every time I come online. And today we have with us my sister Blister BG and we are filming. I don't know what I have not thought of a title as yet, but it's going to be something related to her transformation. I'm going to be transforming my sister into me. Yes, we do not look alike, so no, we're not going to aim at that because I can't change the way she looks, but I can definitely work with how she dresses. Ew. So we're going to be kind of doing like a copy paste here and she's going to be wearing like a Diwali outfit that I choose, and she's going to be dressing up as me. I'm going to be doing her makeup. Yes, I'm not a professional. I'm going to be choosing her outfit. Are you excited? You can open your mouth.
No, I'm not.
Why are you not excited, yaar? It's gonna be fun. Oh, let's do a thumbnail. Since Diwali is around the corner, I just felt a need to kind of dress my family up because they live like they're homeless people. She's not even wearing any kapde niche beshram ladki. She's wearing shorts. It's Diwali season. Do we wear shorts? Also, it's really cold now. You do not have to wear like a hoodie and shorts. She's so homeless. So homeless. Just wait till the transformation happens. She's going to look like a queen. Without further ado, let's get into the... Let's do together. 1, 2, 3. Karna. Abhi karna. 2, 3. So we have our makeup नीचे. वो आपको दिखाई नहीं देगा क्योंकि frame बहुत ही weird है आज का. But oh guys, can you see the lights? I worked with the setup today. There are hair on your face. Also, you are taller. Please sit properly. I will not be able to do the makeup. Thank you. Guys, sorry, we're very sophisticated girls. We don't fight at all.
Gauri.
We don't fight at all. We just... सबसे पहले हम करेंगे a foundation, guys. तो guys क्या करूं?
इतना सारा लगाऊंगी क्या?
आप ही बताओ क्या करूं? Sorry. Wait for a second. अरे हिल मत ना, पीछे क्यों जा रही है गधी? अबे इधर ऐसे कौन करता है? डैप करो. छी. अबे
You will choke me. Let me do it myself.
Next up.
नहीं.
अरे this is not lipstick यार. Shut up. This is blush. Oh, pen. Oh. Little bit on your nose. So cute.
Oh, इतना सारा pink.
It's so cute. Okay, don't touch it.
बस हो गया. Okay. You will poke my eye out.
No, I will not. The most difficult part. Liner.
I will blink so much you will not.
I will do it. I am an expert with eyeliner.
मेरे को करने करने दो ना.
यार, so annoying. खोल.
क्या की?
Once again, we will put the eyeshadow so that the liner is not.
दीदी यार.
Let us do the scam. For once, if you stop your eye, I can work on it.
Your face is too close to mine. It makes me uncomfortable.
Come here, stupid.
हुआ नहीं, क्या हो गया?
नहीं, it's not even. ठीक है. अभी भी मोटा पतला है. Guys, look at this. It's so मोटा and पतला. Can you guys see? Guys, I'm eyeliner queen. Cool, nice progress.
आँखें भारी भारी
It's
लग
time for mascara.
मेरे को खुद से करने दो.
No.
Please.
नीचे.
I can't. This is.
Shut up.
ऊपर देख. हाँ, अब नीचे देख. अब ऊपर देख. नीचे देख. ऊपर देखना. नीचे देख. ऊपर देख. नीचे देख.
ठीक है. For my favorite part. Come to mama. Could you? Baby? Would you? Let's bring highlighter. Cool.
चुड़ैल लग रही.
But what I would suggest that you do is keep your wig on.
Do we look alike?
आप चुड़ैल यूजुअली लगती हो. आपने मेरे को चुड़ैल बना दिया है.
1, 2. Wow! I transformed my sister into something I like.
Are you sure about that?
So guys, that was it for today's video. I really hope you guys like this random ass video. We were trying to do something else, but we ended up doing something completely different from what we had planned. What do you think you look like? Do you like the way you have dressed up today?
नहीं.
Why? You look so pretty.
नहीं.
Huh?
नहीं.
Huh?
Look at चुड़ैल.
You look pretty. Look at you. And I think you look very, very beautiful. Could you? I've got my lipstick on your hair. Okay, then what do you think? Don't touch your eye. You have eyeliner and mascara on. Stupid. So guys, that was it for today. यार सारा मेकअप की ढेचियाँ उड़ा देगी.
Sorry.
So guys, that was it for today's video. I really hope you guys liked it. If you did, please do not forget to like the video, give this video a thumbs up, and comment below what you think of this transformation, and share the video if you really like it. I'm sure मम्मी share करने वाली है और कोई करने वाला है नहीं, पर फिर भी अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी, please share it, and do not forget to click on the subscribe button and the cute little bell icon so that you're notified every time I post an update. 1, 2, 3. Keep loving yourself, guys, because you deserve every little penny of love, and I love you guys so much. I will see you guys very, very soon.
Pew, pew, pew. Hold up. Wait a damn minute.
Ta-ta. Bobbleheads.
know that I care.